Welcome, in front of me I have Samsung Galaxy A03s, and today I will show you how you can find and open flashlight. So simply you have to open notification bar, and in most cases the icon will be appears here. It's the flashlight. You can also swipe on the right and check if it is not here, but on the 99% it will be appears on the screen. So to turn it on, just simply tap right here. And as you can see right now, the flashlight is activated. So when I'm going to turn it off, take a look on my hand. I hope that you can see the difference. So that's how you can turn on and turn off flashlight in this smartphone. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel.